How to make an air conditioner smarter. Try this air-conditioned companion. This one is Xiaomi's. Open it and take a look. An instruction manual. This is the air-conditioned companion. The texture is still good. Plugged into a normal power supply. Open the Mi Home app connection. Connect to Wi-Fi. Just confirm all the points at the back. Then plug in the air conditioner. Match air conditioning. Okay. Feel it. Yes, almost zero latency. Try to close. The switch is fine. The speaker cannot be controlled. Xiao AI turned on the air conditioner. No problem opens. Air conditioning is set at 26 degrees. Heating mode. Sweep up and down. Turn off the air conditioner. Pay attention to this vent. I'm probably down the road from this position. Control it with your phone to turn it on. Simulate turning on the air conditioner before you get home. So we haven't gotten home yet. You can make the temperature in your home lower. Look downstairs, it's me waving. At this time, I turned on the air conditioner with my mobile phone. On the way, I adjusted the temperature. What am I? Wow! Yes, it's a few hundred meters down there. There really is no problem. I won't need a remote control in the future. You can control it with a mobile phone. You can also count the amount of electricity. Good air conditioning, mate.